Today in space.
Before we go any further, there's obviously two people that are the crux of the story, Rey and Kylo, or Ben Solo, however you want to say it now. So I 3D printed some lightsabers, so I want to show you guys.
All right, I need
live here. Okay,
I need to see these.
Pull these out.
Now, are these designed after specific people?
So yes.
Okay.
So we have the two main characters of the movie.
Stop!
So
Look at
we
that.
have Luke's lightsaber, which became
Luke.
Rey's lightsaber, which,
Yep.
if I'm not mistaken, and I could be wrong, wasn't this also Anakin's lightsaber as well?
Okay, I was having a conversation with Sean about that too, and I had the same question. And
Sean is Erin's husband.
Now husband,
Your husband.
yay! And I believe that it should be because at the beginning of New Hope, Obi-Wan says this was your father's.
That's right.
So
Yeah, it's the same
That's
one.
right.
Yeah.
I don't know where it came from in the first place, but that is cool looking.
It's like I'm holding the real thing.
Yeah, that's the scale. That is very cool.
Yeah, so there was
so
a few.
cool.
Let me pull up the artists who designed this on Thingiverse, which
I'm
is
gonna
a
grab this other one.
huge help. Yes, and this one here I'll display real quick is Kylo-Ren's lightsaber,
Kylo-Ren.
which is dope.
I mean, I know they're the bad guys, but they always do have some sick lightsabers.
Yeah.
This is awesome.
Mostly because, like, I will say, going into episode 7, I was always curious about, like, what's this new villain lightsaber going to look like? Because up to that point, Darth Maul had it. With the double-ended
God.
lightsaber.
The double-ended
that
lightsaber.
was awesome. And, you know,
That was amazing.
provided endless childhood fun for many years.
Yeah. You know, and it was funny. I was just about to say, and why'd they kill him off so soon and stuff like that. But there's always stuff that we find wrong with these movies. I mean, they're never going to live up to, like, everything. But that's one thing about The Last Jedi that I kind of liked. I liked that they were setting up the future. They were finishing the plot holes with a few characters, and they were doing a good job of it, but I have a feeling that they're going to make, like, tons of Star Wars movies. Like, now that Disney has the reins on this thing, we're probably going to see, like, 20 movies. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, that's what I'm thinking.
Only 20?
I mean, that's
You know that
slightly
Disney's
my
in the
concern.
money-making business, right?
No.
And if they pump out a movie every year...
They're about the happiest place
I
on
mean,
earth,
at this
right?
point, aren't they basically one of the, like, they're the only ones pumping out movies at this point? Because didn't they just grab Fox?
Yeah, they make big
They're
moves.
making some
They
money.
make big
But, like,
moves.
that was my concern with the Disney grab of Star Wars, was that we were just going to get so much content.
And George Lucas actually selling it, like the story for as long as. I mean, I'm
Don't get
not
me
saying it's
wrong.
not the right thing to do.
I was
but
going to say, what I'm about to say
would've
might
made
be
some money.
controversial, but
Make some money,
like,
bro. Make some money, bro. Your ideas took the whole world by storm. Make your money.
Yeah.
But what's going to happen now? So that's the
Right.
big thing. Yeah.